Hungry for some delicious food? Come cook with me. Veronica's Kitchen. Like, share, tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell everyone. And bon appetit! See you in the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys, you are in for a real treat today. We're going to something a little different, a little rare. Air Fryer Curry Masala chicken quarters. If you have ever deep fry rich curry flavor, but you also want the perfect crispy fried chicken skin, you've in the right place. Trust me, you haven't seen a chicken quarter done like this before. Have you ever seen a chicken quarter done like this before? Oh my goodness. Alright, stay tuned for the landing of the spices. Yeah, see the slices on the chicken? Yeah. Now we want to crush this garlic. Today I'm using a different method. I'm not going to use anything. I'm not chopping or anything. Just watch what I do today with my garlic. Yeah. Yeah, since this is a rare recipe, so we add in some curry, some all-purpose seasoning. I think this is the all-purpose seasoning. Then we add in some curry powder here. Yeah, cumin. Paprika, that smoked paprika. Yeah, cardamom. Ooh. Yeah, coriander. Flavor, and some masala mixture right here. Now we're going to spread some oil on top of it. That's to make the seasoning penetrate through the skin and give it that shh in the air fryer. Yeah. We're working it, the seasoning into the chicken. Yeah, we're working it into every single corner, under the skin, everywhere. A lot of people don't think to throw these heavy spices into an air fryer, but the intense heat actually toasts the masala right into the meat. It smells incredibly here. It is already smelling delicious, tasty. Now I'm covering it and I'm going to set it aside for 4 hours. Let it get in more of that moisture. So 4 hours has expired, and here I am placing it in the pan for the air fryer. My air fryer is preheating at 400 degrees, and I'm spreading right now some smoked paprika on top and a little more drizzle of oil, and I'm going to just like massage it just lightly, yeah, to allow the skin to get crispier and toast that seasoning in the air fryer. Yeah, while this thing gets nice and golden, yes, I want to ask you a favor. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, and tell me in the comment section, have you ever tried putting curry in your air fryer? Bon appetit!